are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix there is no internet connection even your MacBook is connected to a Wi-Fi network. So how to fix this irritating problem? Now in this video we will learn this guys. So as you can see guys, now my MacBook is connected to a Wi-Fi network but there is no internet connection. So let's see how to fix this problem. So when you're facing this type of problem, first you need to check your internet connection. If the internet connection is coming good or bad, just you need to connect your Wi-Fi network to your other device like Android or iPhone. Check your Wi-Fi is working fine or not, internet is working fine or not. In case your Wi-Fi is working fine on other device, only you are facing problem on your MacBook, at that time you can follow this next method. First you need to close your Wi-Fi settings like this. Now you need to reboot and restart your MacBook. Just click on Apple icon and here you can get the option to restart. Okay, after restarting, click on Wi-Fi icon like this and click on Wi-Fi settings. First you need to forgot this Wi-Fi network, go to more Wi-Fi settings and here you can get the option forgot this network. Just click on it, that's it. Okay, it will forget your Wi-Fi network and just you need to reconnect that Wi-Fi network once again on your MacBook. Hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still, in case you're facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to open your system settings like this and go to journal. In the journal, go to date and time settings and here you need to check your date and time is correct or not. If the date and time is incorrect, from here you can able to correct your date and time. After correcting your date and time, it will fix your problem. In case your date and time was right, afterwards you're facing this kind of problem, now close your settings and press and hold option button from your keyboard and then click on Wi-Fi icon like this and here you can get the option open wireless diagnostics. Just click and open it. It will open the troubleshooter on your MacBook and click on continue. It will troubleshoot, it will diagnose your Wi-Fi problem on your MacBook and it will show you on screen procedure, on screen instruction what problem was facing on your MacBook. Just follow the on-screen instruction and complete this process. Okay, after doing this, once again you need to restart your MacBook. Okay, after restarting, it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.